And good morning, everyone. Welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where we talk about foreign exchange trading, prop firm trading, and making money at all of those things. Let's see. First, let's get to the risk disclaimer part of the of this whole thing, because close this window out first. No, not that. Close this window out first. Right here, because I'm in the United States and I have to do this. If I'm going to talk about Forex, I need to talk about risks and risks for new people coming into Forex, just in case. So it goes something like this. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. So Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. So the CFTC risk disclosure goes something like this. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. So let's get into it. Let's see what's going on today. Here we have the DXY. This is the dollar index. This is where we figure out how we're going to trade how we would trade our longer term currencies, like the pound yen right there. Got all my windows closed out last night, so let's currency strength meter. Let's go to this thing and see what's going on with this, because this can help figure out why the yen is way up. The dollar versus the yen is way up today. I just now noticed that. I did not think that was going to happen. I was been counting on it to go the other direction. That's because when you think things, it does not actually come true sometimes. So the dollar is stronger than the yen, so we should be watching for dollar strength, meaning the UJ going down and the EU going up. Because one is on the top of the denominator, the other one's on the bottom. So we go like this, and we have the euro versus the dollar, and we have it coming back down to trying to break this bearish confirmation point right here, which is 115.95. Does not want to break that. On the dollar side, let's look at the day chart for a second, and not a whole lot going on. It's just keeps bouncing off this chart right here. Could go lower. Could. I'm not betting on it, so that's not a trade I'm going to take today. UJ, dollar versus the yen. Again, I've been expecting this to go the other way, waiting for a possible rate cut out of the Bank of Japan that'll be coming at the end of October. Apparently, the market is not priced that in. It's rallying to the top side right now, about I don't know, about kind of this level yesterday. So, and came off of this 4-hour resistance trend line yesterday. Well, a couple days ago. So looks like we're going higher on that. That would have been, what, Friday? 25th. Yeah, it's Friday. It's Monday. So Monday is when it started consolidating, and then started taking off Tuesday, paused Wednesday, and it is taking off again today. So with that, we should see more to the top side. If it breaks this resistance trend line right here at 153, that would be kind of wild, but I'm not going to get into that trade right now either. Oh, maybe I will. I don't think it's going to go far, but I don't like coming in on the 25s or the 50s, so probably come in around 152.86. And then 40 pip run. It's not really a whole lot to get, but hey, beast not getting it. So that would be a trade I would get into today. Pound versus the yen. Pardon me, pound versus the dollar. Again, dollar strength. We're seeing it come down a little bit more. Not as aggressive as the pound versus the yen. The yen's got its own little problems going on with the Bank of Japan and geopolitical conditions that affect the market. Pound versus the yen. Let's see what's going on here. It is likewise coming up, but not quite as aggressively as the dollar versus the yen. I want to go back here and see this real quick, see where that is in the Bollinger Band. That's not a really an aggressive move, so I'm not really going to get into that. It could flip very quickly, very easily. Let's go back down to the UCAD. I'm watching the Bollinger Bands too. This one's right in the middle of the Bollinger Bands, and the Bollinger Bands are tightening, which means the volume is drying up a little bit, and also that it's not really going anywhere. We do have, what kind of news we got today? We had PPI for England yesterday. Today we have nothing on the American side, but we've got a lot of Fed speak. Fed speak scares me, it always does. And then tomorrow we have American CPI coming out, and that's the delayed. I think that's the delayed release from last week for last month. So we'll see what's going to get an idea of what's going on with American inflation tomorrow. Dollar versus the CAD. Again, right in the middle, not touching it, and with a cross candle too. CAD versus the yen. We're watching the oil market go up. We're watching the CAD versus the yen go up. So that's kind of the way that life works. When oil goes up, the CAD versus the yen goes up. Again, it's not. Nothing's really busting out or ranging right now. So everything's caught in a range again. So that may give us some more. That's really in a range. Dollar Aussie versus the dollar. There's matching candles every day. Still on the daily chart. Yeah, that's pretty wild. And everything just went flat on Friday. And then Monday gold started reversing. So I don't know what's going on. I don't think anybody else does either. Gold. Look at gold coming down like that. And then stopping at this near-term support, which is now becoming resistance, maybe? Maybe. Could bounce right off of it. It's right on it right now. So 41.17 that's 41.13. 41.17 is the mark to see what's going on with that. And silver. Silver is down, but it is stopping right here at this record close for 2011, and it is starting to bounce up. So we could see gold follow likewise. However, it is right in the middle of these Bollinger Bands, which means today's not the day to trade it. So that's what's going on in the Forex markets today. Nothing really vastly wonderful going on. Might get into a little bit of a euro trade. A pound versus the yen trade. I'm not involved in any challenges right now, so I'm only using MetaTrader 4 and my account here. Let's see what the trade would look like here, and it is just too close to that top right there at 153.26, 70 pips, and it's starting to fizzle out. So I'm not getting into this. I just don't think that move has legs on it. So with that, you guys have a great one. If you like this video, then click the thumbs up icon. If you or if you want to know when I'm going to be doing more videos, then subscribe to the channel. And if you have any comments, by all means comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So you guys have a great one. Talk to you later. Bye.